I need to tell you something that could save you from serious buyer's remorse. Most people focus on one number when buying, the mortgage payment. But here's the truth. That's only part of what you will actually pay each month. The average homeowner pays significant additional costs beyond their mortgage: insurance, taxes, maintenance, utilities, and all the surprises nobody warned you about. Quick pause before I go any further. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, now let's get into what catches people off guard. Here's what shocked me. Nearly half of homeowners report post-purchase regrets, most commonly because maintenance and hidden costs were higher than expected. Think about it this way. If you're approved for a certain monthly payment, your actual housing costs could be substantially higher when you add everything else. That's a huge difference in your lifestyle and budget. Insurance keeps rising year after year. Taxes climb even when rates stay flat because your home's value increases. And maintenance. Homes need thousands annually just to stay in good shape. That's not renovations, that's just keeping things working. The key is planning for this before you buy, not discovering it after you've signed on the dotted line. A comfortable mortgage payment you can't maintain becomes stressful fast. Peace of mind comes from realistic budgeting. Want to know the true cost of home ownership for your situation? Let's talk before you start shopping. We'll help you budget for that full picture.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.